Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to hack games and apps, okay, in your phone, in your Android phone. Let's start. And first you need to download Lucky Picture from Google Chrome or okay, it's not available in Play Store. So go to your Google or Google Chrome or your browser. Now to click here to search LUCKY Lucky Picture for Android. Now I know I'm not have internet connection, so when you search this in your Google or your any of your browser, you can download it. When you download it, install it, and then open the app. Okay, of Lucky Picture. Now I'm going to hack a game, okay? Real Gangster Crime. I'm going to hack this game and you have to follow my steps. So go to now click on app, go to menu of pages and then click multi-page. 1, 2, 3. Select this 3 option and first, okay? Don't select the last option. Now click on rebuild the app. Then you can see there is other page, so click on other page extreme mode and then click on here remove dependencies, yes, signature verification killer. Now click next step, make full offline. Click here, make full offline. Then you click on next step. In the first you have select first one and here this one. If you select this, the option is coming to the option from here coming to here, so click here, okay, in the first. Then you click on next step, wait until it takes some time, wait for it. Now it's successfully completed. Now let's see. Look, the first option you can see support for patch for in-app and level emulation. It's not important. It's important, but not a big problem. Okay. Remove ads is also like this, and the last one is important. If any one of this is not in green mode, this one and this one is not important, and this is also not. This is important thing in success pattern in success. If it's no one of its success, that means your game or app is not hacked successfully. So then go to file. Now my game is hacked. Go to file and uninstall and install. Click yes, okay, yes, and click on install. Now open the app, wait for it, wait for opening. It will not work for some apps and games like Picture, okay? Yeah, so accept this, and then you can see here add money option. Add money option will give you the option is this option giving you to hack the games money, okay? Now click on it and click on the money. As you can see there is coming Lucky Picture on the page, so click yes. Look, my money is adding to my game. Look, if you save these two, it will not come in your page again. This Lucky Picture. Just start click by clicking. Look, give money how much you want to your game. It's also work for some apps like video editors, photo editors, or something like this. This was video how you can hack the games. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm repeating, please subscribe my channel. I have more videos for you. Thank you and have a good time.